Hello everybody, I'm Samadendra and today we are going to be doing the Magnus effect. Let me explain what's the Magnus effect. The Magnus effect is when you spin the ball, the ball will take a curved path. This effect is called Magnus effect. When you spin the football, the ball will curve and move in a curving rotation. This is known as Magnus effect. Let me show you how our project works. So first, we have to take this really long string of rubber band and then we have to roll it around the two cups that have been attached together. After we are done, we have to hold it in this way, in a way like this. Now let me show you how this works. Wow! Did you see that go? This is the Magnus effect. I have used the help of an elastic band, two paper cups and one piece of sellotape to make this possible. Thank you, Playto Labs. Thank you.